bao Tháng ngõ Off Do hereby Take this oath of allegiance in the name of Almighty God that I shall abide rules and regulations laid down in the chapters of our Constitution, and I do swear that I shall serve my Telangana people till my last breath, willing to comply. Let this bullet shall judge upon me. ทำไมกูจะขายแล้วก็
Yang long lung bom mai quay anu lung khat chun khat suna anu di khang ripu kat patho sana puna suan lai ning tan anu la bai bai khon sini anu pui akhat na de anu di akhat ni nai pat nai kai lung bom sini yang long lung bom mai quay anu lung khat chun khat suna anu di khang ripu